What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the finesse guy, 80 Diddy, JD92, coming back at y'all with finally, man, another motherfucking unboxing, bro. So, I know it's been a minute since I did one of these. It's a little awkward because I don't even remember what I used to say when I did these. But nah, man. So if y'all could, I just finished fucking fruit. Fucking fruit flies is getting on my nerves. But nah, man, if y'all could, I just finished streaming over on Twitch. Go ahead and follow me, JDiggy_92. If y'all like games and shit. We just did our 24-hour stream, like, Friday into Saturday. We beat Spider-Man 2 and shit. So, you like content like that, go ahead and follow that. But, without further ado or delay, get into these packages. Alright, so this first pack right here is coming from the good people over at GOAT. It's been a minute since I actually bought some shoes that I would put on his channel. I got a big ass backlog of shit I'm going to review, but just expect videos. I'm gonna give y'all videos when I can, but I have a lot of priorities now. So hopefully that fixed it. If you see me keep looking, bro, today this is the first day I've had to deal with like fruit flies in this motherfucker, and this shit is pissing me off. So I'm gonna have to find a workaround, cause this nigga here, he keep fucking with me, like, dang. When I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you, it's up for this nigga on phone him. But nah, man. So hopefully I fix the white black. Probably not, because my shirt white, the background white. It is what it is. But alright, so first thing, like I said, is coming from the good people over at GOAT. And like I said, I have a huge backlog of shit I need to do. So, and I got like another thing coming in after this unboxing. So, alright, so first thing, as y'all can see, we got a Nike box. And I have been looking for a lot of stuff like this. Just put it that way. Stuff like this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it without further ado or delay. I remember this part. I will close my eyes. Y'all will see it first. Then I'll ask y'all how it looks. So, here we go. Is it cool? They alright? I know the paper up off of them. Hey, is they straight? They look alright? They cool? Are they straight? Oh, I thought they was gonna be shinier than this. Now these cool. I fuck with these. Alright, so I bet. So the first thing, I'm only gonna take one out because I don't have like a table or nothing yet. So first thing we copped is these. This is what we got. These are the vintage navy jumps. I know you can't tell, but that outsole is like yellow as hell. It's not like white as fuck. Y'all should see it when I do the on feet review and shit. So don't worry about it too much. But yeah, man, these are clean. Only thing is these was women's. So I had to get these in a women's 13.5 just to be able to fit a like men's 12. Luckily, they had a fucking 13.5 because a lot of like women's colorways don't be having my size, so I can't get them, which is fucking ass because women be having fire ass colorways, but they only go to like a men's fucking 10. So my fat foot ass be left out in the dark and shit. But nah, that's the first thing. This next thing though, I ain't gonna lie, I'm really excited for it. And it's not because it's shoes, even though it's a pair of shoes in here. It's for something else that's in here. So we'll go ahead and get into that. I'm so sick of this shit, bro. I had to figure out a way to get rid of these because I'm not dealing with fruit flies, bro. That shit interrupted my stream. Like, nigga just follow me around the fucking room. Like, it's fucking stupid. Like, I don't understand. Like, the fuck is the purpose of fruit flies, nigga? Like, real talk. So, Next thing, I see it right on top. Let me save this for last. Hopefully, y'all didn't see it. No, y'all didn't see it. Alright, so this next pair, another Nike box, as y'all can clearly see. Another Nike box. Yeah. I know I'm getting up and moving a lot and shit. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure this out, this new space of like recording and shit, and I gotta figure out like backgrounds and all that shit. So just bear with me. I promise we gonna get it together. But another Nike box. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so paper. Damn. Alright, open. Damn, I just ripped it. God damn, I'm ripping the fuck. Alright. Y'all see it? Can y'all see them? Y'all getting white blasted, I know, with these. They clean, they cool. Alright, so, damn, did somebody wear these hoes? Oh, no, that's just the leather. Damn, the leather crazy. Like somebody wore these bitches already. The fuck? Alright, so, this next pair is just, the Nike Dunk Low. I guess they calling these like the Deep Jungle Jones. Like, so it's like all, I'm trying to get it to where y'all can see it. Like y'all can't see, but it's essentially cream. It's not fucking white. Like I said, I got a white ass background, so y'all getting fucking white blasted. Let me see if I can turn the like brightness down. Hold on. No shit, not too much, nigga. Bitch, y'all seen that? Motherfucker. So these it right here. Y'all still gonna get white blasted. I'm sorry. Like I don't know. This shit being retarded. So these it right here. They pretty damn clean in my opinion. Like these go hard. Like I said, y'all can get a review. So we just got 2 pair of Dunks. It's not because I wanted to, it's just because Dunks be having the colorways I need. Like, I've been looking for, like, hella blue shit. And I can't really find, like, blue shoes. Like, it's like, well, blue shoes that I like. And that I feel like are versatile enough to go with a lot of shit. Like, the navy Dunks, I feel, will go well with a lot of shit. Because it's just navy, white, and cream. But, like, a lot of shit be like, the blue be off. Or like the blue be too dark, or it be like royal blue, but it got a lot of other dumb shit in it. So I really been trying to find blue, and it just ain't been working. I ain't gonna cap it. It just ain't been doing what it need to do. You know what I'm saying? So those are the 2 shoe pickups. Now this next one, I'm surprised I bought this because of how much it fucking costs. But I seen Kai had this brand, and like I had seen this before. I seen Kai like in a stream in a in a like Twitch stream and shit, and he had this brand on, and I was like, yo, I seen that brand before, and I was like iffy on it because I was like, what the fuck is this? But I was like, I mean, I'm finna get it now because now Kai done bought it. And like, if niggas starting to get hip to this shit finna sell out. So I went ahead and bought this like big ass olive green jacket. So like, this Sinclair. So on the back it say Sinclair. Hopefully y'all can see that. Sinclair Global on the back. And then on the front, you got that little like the Sinclair tab right here and shit. So I thought that was pretty smooth. I thought it was pretty clean. I got it. Was this on sale? I don't remember where it was on sale or not, but it reminded me of like a Carhartt jacket, in all honesty. Just why I low-key got it, because I always wanted one of those, and it's just, that shit just be costing too much for my pockets at the moment. So on the inside, it's just that same brown, and then outside, brown. So it's brown and olive, essentially. So hopefully I could fit the hoe. Yeah, we straight. Oh, this bitch heavy. God damn. This bitch heavy than no fuck. It be clean though. Y'all fuck with it? Y'all fuck with the jacket? You know what I'm saying? I think it's pretty dope. I think it's pretty clean. You know what I'm saying? So this is just the two things we got. I'm not finna keep talking y'all head off because I feel like I ruined my own video already because I had so much shit that I had to deal with within the video, from my brightness to the damn fruit fly invasion. So I feel like I already ruined it, but hey, welcome to the fucking Finesse God unboxing. But y'all are gonna get full on feet reviews for both of these, so don't worry. Thumbnail. Don't worry about it. Y'all gonna get on feet reviews for both of these. I got hella shoes I gotta do on feet reviews of. I'm thinking about giving y'all like a house tour, well, a crib tour, just so y'all can see like the new space or whatnot. Because it is like, this is a big thing to me, because if you've been with me for a minute, you know the whole situation, the whole story. So me having my own spot now finally is like huge. So I might show y'all, I don't know. But yeah, man, so this is just the end of this unboxing. Be on the lookout for I got like hella on feet. I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got like almost 10 on feet. I think it's like 10 on feet coming for y'all. A lot of like comparison vids. We're gonna be talking about the Benberry Crocs. We got a lot of shit. Like, I got a lot of shit. So just be on the lookout. I'm trying to get like the schedule down pat, to where I'm fixing my stream schedule and my recording schedule, so I can kind of get a lot done. I got a podcast me and Savage Beauty working on, so I'll be trying to fit that shit in there too, as far as like recording it goes. So I got a lot I'm managing, but I feel like this is when I'm supposed to be grinding. So I'm grinding right now, because I'm tired of working 9 to motherfucking 5. Like, one of these shits gotta pay off. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all could, I really appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up and that like button for me. Subscribe if you had not already. Join the God Squad. I'm not saying I'm gonna give y'all like constant reviews and constant uploads. I'm gonna do it when I can, because sneakers have got mad expensive. So I'm gonna do what I can when I can. But yeah, man, I love y'all. I really appreciate everybody that follow and still subscribe to my ass with the lack of content. You know what I'm saying? So it really means a lot. I love y'all. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Be on the lookout for those on feats and the rest of this content. I'm your boy, the Finesse God, Iggy Diggity, JD92. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace. Motherfucking fruit fly, bro. Now I know what Chase Money be feeling like.